Is it possible to transfer game data from one Switch console to another?
Hello everyone! Today, we're tackling a common question among Nintendo Switch users. Is it possible to transfer game data from one Switch console to another? The short answer is, yes, it's possible. But don't worry, we're here to walk you through the entire process.
What do you need to know first?
Before diving into the process, it's essential to know a few things. Firstly, Nintendo Switch does allow you to transfer your user data and saved game data from one console to another. This can be handy if you're upgrading to a new Switch console or if you simply need to move your data to a different system. Secondly, remember that you can only transfer user data and saved game data. This means any software, downloadable content, and themes purchased will not be included in the transfer. However, they can be re-downloaded to the new console later on, as long as you use the same Nintendo account.
How do you transfer the data?
Transferring data between Nintendo Switch consoles involves some specific steps. Follow along. Step 1. Make sure both Switch consoles are updated to the latest system version. Step 2. On the new Nintendo Switch console, you need to create a new user. Step 3. On the source Nintendo Switch, navigate to System Settings, Users greater than transfer your user data. Step 4. Follow the prompts on both consoles to transfer the data. Remember, this process requires both consoles to be on the same Wi-Fi network and physically near each other. Also, be aware that this process transfers the user and saved data to the new console and removes it from the source console. And there you have it. That's how you can transfer game data from one Switch console to another. We hope you find this guide useful. Always remember, the world of gaming is all about enjoying the journey, and having your game data on the go is just part of that experience. Until next time, happy gaming!